Hog Slat offers the Selective Flow Adjustment Plate Kit to replace your existing worn or damaged Selective Flow adjustment levers. The kit comes with all the hardware you need and installing it is simple. Loosen the bolts holding the current levers in place and remove both from each side of the adjustment plate. Rest the adjustment rods against the feeder walls. Peel off the adhesive adjustment gauge decal from the plate. You may need a scraper to help remove it completely. Use a screwdriver or flat edge tool to gently pry the old plate free from the feeder wall. You're going to replace this piece with a new plate from the kit. New mounting bolts are included if you need them. Insert the ends of the adjustment rods into the ends of the adjustment levers. Slide the levers onto the mounting bolts of the plate, attach the new springs from the kit, and affix the new lock nuts and tighten them down securely. Peel the paper backing from the new adjustment gauge decal and place it on the plate between the two levers. The top line indicator of the decal should be aligned with the lever's pointer when the lever is positioned in the top slot. To purchase your replacement kit, visit your local store or go to our website at www.hogslat.com.